Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Air Canada account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Air Canada login just like this. And after you search for Air Canada login, the option where it says Air Canada My Profile, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the official website of Air Canada, from where you guys can log in into your account. And it's going to look just like this. And once you're in this page where it says aeroplane plan number or email, you can enter your plan number or your email. I'm going to enter my email over here. And once you do that, where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. And once you do that, just click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Air Canada's account. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can always click on this to recover your password as well. And if you want to create your Air Canada account, you can click on this to do that. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.